Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this DOOGEE Blade GT. This is AI 5G rugged phone. This is equipped with a 32 gigabyte of memory and 256 gigabyte of storage. You can expand it up to 2 terabytes. Alright, so right here we've got the DOOGEE Blade GT. This is a 5G rugged phone. This is equipped with 32 gigabytes of memory, 256 gigabytes of storage, and you can expand it up to 2 terabyte. So this is a 10.5 millimeter ultra thin. It is running Android 14. This is a 6.72 inch. It has an FHD of 120 hertz. It's got a 48 megapixel camera, 5,500 milliamp battery. It has an 18 watt fast charging NFC. This also does come with Face ID, fingerprint, and Wi-Fi 6. So in the box, first off, you get a screen protector, you get the charging block, and you get the wire, which most phones do not give you the charging block, only the wire. So this is great that it does come with the charging block. And it does come with a case protector, which is already on the phone. So they do offer this in 2 different colors. They've got the black color and they have the silver, which I went with the silver color because I like that one. So right here is the charging block, and it is a really nice charging block. It has an 18 watt fast charger, so it can charge up really quickly. It has a CPU speed of 2.6 gigahertz, and it is a memory storage capacity of 256. The screen size of this one is pretty big. It's 6.7 inches. You can see on the back side of this phone, it does have the screen protector already included. It has a dynamic LED light effect for a unique style. So this Blade GT is a rugged smartphone that brings innovation and dynamic LED light to effect, offering a perfect combination of functionality and style. So right here at the bottom is a charging port. This one does use a Type-C. You also got the speaker here on the bottom. It is really loud, so it sounds really nice when you're listening to any videos or music. And then you have your side panel right here, which is your fingerprint. So you can unlock it by your fingerprint. You have your volume up and down rocker. On the other side is also another action button, and you can also use a fingerprint to turn it on. Here is the back side of the camera. So the camera lights up around the camera lenses, and this little round thing right here, it lights up, gives you the AI light up. And at the bottom, it's kind of thick, but it's a really thin phone, so it's a really nice feel in the hand. So you just push the button right here and it turns right on. This is rocking in Android 14. So this has the 6nm MediaTek Dimensity. The processor and AI features a Blade GT rugged phone, delivers excellent performance. This has an 8-core and a 2.6 gigahertz clock speed. It is perfect for multitasking, game, and streaming. So with the Android 14, you have the latest apps and everything. So the GT is a powerful AI capacity, including an AI erase, AI background replacement, AI digital human, and AI portraits. These cutting-edge AI capacities make the Blade GT an unmatched rugged phone for photography, creativity, and everyday use. So right here is just to sign up with the Google. So you can sign that up with Google, and I'm just going to go ahead and skip all this. I like the fact that this phone has a 32 gigabyte of RAM, which comes with 12 gigabyte of RAM plus 20 gigabyte of internal. It has 256 internal storage, but you can expand that up to 2 terabyte via TF card, providing plenty of room for photos, videos, and files. So this also does offer where you can unlock it by your fingerprint. This is an ultra thin 10.5 millimeter rugged design. It is combined of elegance and toughness. So if you drop it in water, on the floor, it is super rugged, ultra thin body, making it one of the sleekest rugged phones available. I know all the other DOOGEEs are a little bit thicker because they have higher capacity of batteries. So this one does come equipped with a 120 hertz display. It features a 6.72 inch FHD plus an IPS display of 120 hertz refresh rate. The Blade GT rugged smartphone, it provides really nice vivid colors and ultra smooth visuals for gaming, streaming, and professional work. It has a high resolution, ensures that sharp details immersing viewing, while 380 nits brightness allows clear reliability under the sunlight. So these are what the apps look like when you start up your phone. They are really nice. I like the background on it. So we're just going to go into the settings and we're going to go in some of the phone displays, into the information. So I'm just going to scroll up and down. You can see it's got a really nice refresh rate. And then we'll just play some videos and stuff like that so you can see the feel of the phone. They do have a fingerprint scanner, which is where the power button is. It is on the other side. So that is the volume up and down rocker. And then this one here is a turn it on, also the fingerprint scanner. So you can set that up and unlock your phone. And then it has a digital well-being. You have all the other stuff that you need for this phone. It has the memory expansion 8 all the way up to 20 gigs. This one here is already set to 20 gigs. So it's a really fast phone. It has a 48 megapixel AI triple camera with a 4K video recording. The GT rugged phone offers the camera with a 48 AI main camera, 5 megapixels of a wide angle lens, and a 0.08 megapixel photosensitive lens, which captures high quality 4K videos or sharp detail photos in any settings. Its advanced modes, including HDR, panoramic, and night mode, enhances your photography experiences with a 20 megapixel front camera, ensures bright and clear selfies for video calls or social medias. It is the nice rugged smartphone. Unlocked makes it work on any network. This does come equipped with 5,500 milliamp battery, which comes with an 18-watt fast charging. So that gives you a lot of time to run on this phone before you need to recharge the phone. So here are some of the ELF light settings. You can change the light settings in the back. So they have different settings. We're just going to go click on the music. So you can change it with music. It'll play the different light settings for the music. So I'm just going to do is go back. So the back part of this phone will light up. So they do have different modes. You've got happy, excited, sad, anxious. So we're just going to go into that. Sorry, I had to go back in there. And you would click on the light FX. And then they've got little tips. You're just going to go ahead and click OK. So you see there's none. They've got happy. And on the back, see it lights up. So each mode actually lights up a different way. You have none, excited. This is happy. So you can see that it's lighting up. You can flash it. You can change it where it panorams to slow instead of fasting. This one's okay. This is an okay mode. So if you don't like the flashing, you can actually change that. This is rhythm. So this is the rhythm mode on the back of the phone. And then we're going to go into sad. So it gives you like the sad face on the back of the phone. So there's the sad mode. And then we're going to go to the next one right here. And then this one here kind of gives you like a half of that. And then we're going to go back into none. And then we're going to go back into the settings. So you can actually set the timer 1 minute, 5, 10, 20, whatever you'd like. And then happy. So that actually lights up the back of the phone, which is really nice. And if you do not like where it's flashing, you can actually go into the settings and change it to where it does not flash as fast. It can just go like slowly. So you'll just push this sideways and it'll go back to the settings. And then now we're going to go through some of the settings. We're going to go into notifications. So you can change the notifications on there. You've got breathe, and then see it's just flashing slowly. This is a section where you'll want to change it if you do not like the actual flashing fastly. So we're going to go into the settings and we're going to click on sound and notifications, sounds. So we're going to scroll down sounds. This is, you can change your sounds and vibration. You got media, call, ring, notification center. And so when you set that in the back, the light will actually flash on the notification. So what I'm going to do is go in here and change the ringtone so you can hear how loud this phone is actually on the notifications. There's the media sounds, call. So we're just going to go in here and click a few of these ones. I do not have set it for the flashing on the back, but I'm going to go ahead and play some of these ringtones. You can also download other ringtones, but let's go ahead and check the ones that are already inside here. So these ones are your standard ringtones that come with the phone, and it also has where you can do sounds for ringtone 1 and sim ringtone 2, so you can put 2 sims in here. You can change up the media settings. This does have a lot of choices to choose from. You can also download other ringtones if you'd like. You just put them on any app that you have to download ringtones. You can make your own. It has a battery storage, accessibility, fingerprints, Google, Light Elf. You can change these whatever you like. So this one here is I have set to a timer. So if you want to set it to a timer, these ones just, you know, just the basic ones that does come with the phone. And then if you don't like the flashing, like I said before, you can go ahead and change the flashing to a slow flashing. They have excited, love, okay, rhythm, sad, and happy. And then you've got your music, your call, notifications. So we're going to get into some of the apps that they have on this phone, which are super cool. They do offer FM radio, but you do need the headphones. So here is the parent-child mode. So you put on a password. So this is great for if you're going to give this to a child. So now here is the FM radio. You do need the headphones. This does not have a headphone jack. You just need the Type-C. And you can buy that separately. So it says allow to find connections. I do not have the earbuds for this, so you would actually have to purchase that separately. It says plug into the earphones, and then you can just search for the local radio stations in your area. So, and then you have things like AI, calendar, and they do have the AI one that actually does videos and stuff. So you can change your voice. So if you want to use your image, you can use your picture, and it does like a voiceover. And then you can actually change AI pictures, contacts. They have files. This AI picture thing is pretty cool. They also have gaming mode. So this one right here, if you're playing any games, this is a great mode to use. And right here, you can block incoming calls. So if you're gaming and you don't want nobody to call, it will actually block them, so you won't get any disruptions while you're playing your games. And right now, I don't have any games installed, so it's not working. It says the game is not scanned. You can add the media, but we're just going to go ahead and scroll down here. So I'm just going to add YouTube because I did not install any games. And I'm not even actually opening up YouTube, but you can actually open up YouTube in the gaming mode. So if you're watching a YouTube video or whatever, it does block all calls. You don't get disrupted when you're watching videos or if you're playing any games. So right now we're just going to go open up YouTube and here send notifications. We're just going to go into the shorts, and I want you to hear how loud this phone actually is with the speaker playing some YouTube videos. Yeah! So you can tell that this speaker on this phone is super nice. It is really loud, and it plays really clear videos on YouTube or any other video platforms that you use. And it's super fast. It goes into the next video. I like the fact that it has 100 hertz of the display screen. Right here is the gaming mode. We're just going to get out of the gaming mode and go through a couple more settings. It just grabbed this that way. Actually, this one didn't work. I actually had to turn it over and do it, and then it'll remove the app. So it says there's no sections right here. Gotta get back over here. Now we're into the home screen, and then they do have a couple apps. These ones are super easy to install, download. You can go in, you have all your Googles, your Google Meet, you have your Play Store. So here is your display notifications section. So you just pull that down, and then this one here is requiring an update. Every time you get a brand new phone, it's actually requesting for an update. I did that with the other DOOGEE Blade 10 Pro. So the camera right here, we're going to go ahead and take a quick snap picture of the box. And then I'm going to take a video of it. The quality of the camera in the video is a really nice camera in the video quality. Sorry, it doesn't look so good because there's not much light in my house, but we're going to do a quick video right here. Now we're going to go in and show the picture. You can see that the quality of the picture is really nice. It's very high quality. So now I'm going to go into edit. So you can edit it. Visual full screen, so that will make your screen full whenever you're taking pictures. So now they do have editing. You can remove things, which is a nice feature that this phone actually has. You can enhance, warm, cool, whatever you want to do to fix up your pictures. This phone is an awesome way of editing your pictures. So I just discard my changes, and now I'm just going to go into the camera setting itself. That one I'm going to throw into the trash. And then go pick on 4K and see how the video looks in 4K. All right, so now we're just gonna go and click the record button. So it's just gonna record a little bit of the video. Sorry, the quality is not so good with my camera because the light is actually pretty light in here. I'm just going to get whatever I can, and then I'm just going to stop the recording, go ahead and play it, and see the quality of the recording video. So we're just going to push play on that right there. You can see it's a very good quality. Should have went the other way. But you can see it's a really nice quality. They do have a settings in here, so if you don't want to use 4K, you can use 1080p, which uses a less storage. So now we're going to go into the future that is AI. So you can do pictures and you can also do videos. So they have remove, change BG, AI clips, and then it says allow Alum to access the device. We're going to go ahead and click allow all. So you just have a previous picture in there, and then you just pick any setting. So I use my current picture with one of the AI settings, and this is what it generated. So I just clicked this other one in the blue dress. So we're just going to wait for that to load. Okay, that's not the one that I wanted, so I'm just going to try this one right here in the blue dress. And then once that loads, it will show another picture in AI. So you have a lot of them right here that you check. Unfortunately, these are all women. I don't know how to get to the men just yet, but this one is of the female. And then you can see right here, it automatically generated with my face on this AI picture. This is a super nice feature to have. They also have it where it uses your face, but it actually talks over your face, so you can do an AI generated message. So we're just going to check this one right here. Wait for that to load. So now this one's loading, and then you can see that it generated this. So it does have really nice features. I like the FM radio as long as you have the headphone adapter. The AI is a perfect thing to use if you like using AI generation. But this phone here is a super nice phone. I like the fact that it has a really big storage and it has a really high memory, and then also you can expand the storage. The battery, a 5,500 milliamp battery, lasts a super long time, especially if you're a gamer. I would definitely say if you're looking for a nice budget phone that is not super expensive but that does give you premium features, I would highly recommend checking out this phone.